And welcome back. Will Worsham joined us now for this week's Speaking Legal Discussion. Good to see you as always.
Good to be here.
You know, we were talking a little bit earlier about the Mo Food Truck Fest.
Yes.
You're going to be there.
I'm going to be there.
Just eating like everybody else?
No, well, I'm definitely going to do that. I'm really looking forward to the food. But no, the law firm's going to be there. We're going to be talking about our kids' protection plans for anybody that's out there for that, or really anything else that we might be able to help people with. We'll have some stuff to give away for some folks, too.
And a special guest star.
Yeah, Wonder Woman is going to be there with us. And then the Taekwondo school. We're going to be out there also. We're going to have some martial arts.
Maybe do some demos or things?
I doubt we'll do any demos.
Oh, okay. Well, probably if I walk too close, you might.
Yeah, you never know. Come by.
You ready for this?
Oh,
yeah,
sure.
you ready for the question?
You want to do some legal stuff?
Yeah, let's go to the legal stuff right now. Okay, here we go. I found out my ex-husband got a promotion and a large raise at work. Does this affect his child support payments?
Well, the correct answer is maybe. It could.
That's what I thought. Yeah.
It's not going to have an immediate, direct, or automatic effect on the child support payments. So if mom, in this scenario, wants it to affect the child support payments, and I'm assuming she would hope that they would go up, she's going to have to go to court and ask a judge to modify the child support payments.
Okay.
That modification is going to have to be based on a substantial and continuing change in his income.
Okay.
So there's two qualifiers there. It has to be substantial, so it can't be just, hey, I got a little raise. We're not going to be running to court every 6 months, every year because somebody got a little raise.
Right.
That doesn't count. It has to be a significant, substantial.
And it can't be like a bonus, a one-time thing.
Can't be a one-time thing. It's got to be a continuing thing. Now, if you could demonstrate that over the course of a significant period of time, and I'm talking about 2, 3, 4 years, that there was a regular and expected and reliable bonus that this individual was earning, then I think you might be able to explain to a court that, well, yeah, this is a bonus, but he gets it every year, and it is a substantial and continuing changed circumstance. So that's the standard.
Yeah, that always seems like so if they win a lottery, yeah, you can probably get more.
Well, a lottery would not be a continuing changed circumstance. Now, it doesn't mean that the kids might not necessarily need to benefit from that.
Right.
I'm not saying that's not something that shouldn't at least be looked into, but you have to consider, is a lottery winning a continuing changed circumstance? I suppose it would depend on the payout.
Right.
The one-time payout
versus... But what you're saying, though, is even though you have made a settlement, that doesn't necessarily mean it's etched in stone forever and ever.
Particularly when we're talking about child support, because as we've talked about, any type of parenting plans, child support, it's the best interests of the children. And so the best interests of the children allow them to benefit from the success of their parents. So if
one would think,
if mom and dad make a little more money, then the child support agreement can go up, and you use the standard Form 40 to figure that out, or your lawyer would.
It seems like it's best, though, talk to someone who knows. Go to a lawyer. At least they can help you through the steps.
Well, and you know, a lawyer that's experienced in family law and child support is going to be able to look at the situation with you, run the numbers, and say, you know, is a judge likely to find that this is a substantial and continuing change circumstance or not? Is it worth your time, effort, and money to do this? And also the risk that sometimes when you go after child support, the other party goes after custody. So you have to consider that as well.
That's it. All right. If you have a legal question for Will, you can email him at wworsham@color10.com, and, of course, he'll answer your question on the show. Thanks, Will.
See you Saturday?
Somewhere.
Food truck.
All right.